With everyone back to school, you're probably facing that daily question already. What to pack in the school lunches? Kristen Fuller is joining me to share her ideas for better back-to-school lunch ideas. It's great to have you. Great to meet you.
Thank you. You too.
And you're in the mom trenches too. The morning mom trenches of what am I throwing in this lunchbox?
Yes, every day. Yes. And I have quite their age, and I think that is probably the hardest part about packing lunches is to accommodate each picky child that you have.
Yeah, their palates evolve and they do have their own preferences. So let's start with the younger age category. What do you recommend for mixing it up or at least packing a good solid nutrition bundle?
I think it's all about visual display. They like to grab things, they like to eat things. So the more color you can add, the better they're gonna eat, and you're not gonna come home with a lunch full of food.
Isn't that the worst? You're like, I slaved over that honey and peanut butter sandwich.
Yes. So I kind of recreated a typical Lunchable type thing where they can grab and build. You have your whole grain and your crackers. You have some good quality ingredients that will keep them full for a long time.
I'm seeing, are those soybeans?
Yes, this is just soybeans or edamame.
Tilt this a little bit.
Yeah.
And we've got the gummies for a little snack. I jumped to dessert first.
Of course.
The fruit also offers a sweet bite. And look at that, you can stack your little Lunchable on cracker with the cheese and the meat. Clever, clever. And then you're right, I'm thinking of my own littles, and they do like that colorful display. They do like the options too.
Yes.
Okay. Great, moving up.
Then we go to kind of middle elementary, and this would be where my 7 and 8-year-old kind of live. And that's what I wanted to show you today is just an easy way of making a PB&J. I'm not gonna reinvent a famous sandwich. I'm just gonna recreate it to be a little bit more fun.
Sure.
So I already have rolled out this bread to be super flat. I rolled it, super flat, coated it with peanut butter. So we'll just start with a jelly one on top. Super easy, nothing you haven't seen before. Okay, there's a jelly one, and then let's just do honey to mix it up.
Oh, hey, there you go. A little sweet topping to complement the jam.
Then it's just like a little sushi.
We don't do a lot of peanut butter and jelly at our house.
No?
A sushi roll?
Yep.
Look at
that. That is what we're basically creating. And then all you do is just go like this. And again, it's just easy, fast. They could just put it in their mouth. The quicker you could keep their attention, the more they're gonna eat. Because the second that one friend raises their hand to go to recess, you've lost them. So you just put them cute in there, and you could do the same. Whoop.
Can I PB&J bites?
Yes, exactly.
I like that.
And then it gives them a variety.
Oh, the honey wasn't part of the PB&J. This is what we do, peanut butter and honey in our
Same
house.
with me.
Yeah.
I like that. I would prefer that.
I thought you were doubling down on the sweet, and I didn't question you. I'm like, anything to spice up the boring, right? Anything
Totally. But see, they're just easy and fun, right? Nothing, again, you haven't seen, but
I haven't seen popcorn in a lunchbox at my house. That's a great idea.
So what I like about popcorn, it does offer a whole grain.
Sure.
And it's fun. The kids think they're having kind of a movie night all of a sudden, eating popcorn. And don't underestimate dried fruit. Sometimes we get too caught up in, oh, I haven't made it to the grocery store. I don't have the fresh ingredients. Dried fruit is great. They can munch on that and still have their adequate vitamins that they get from real fruit having it dried.
Nice, and then a few carrots to complement the selection.
Yeah.
What are you packing along here?
So this is kind of some fast grocery food items that I will put in lunches when we're on a hurry. If I can't make the time to do this, and these are just high quality ingredients where their ingredient, like if you read the ingredient list, their first one is whole grains always. It has the good food.
You can feel good about it.
Yes.
All right, 30 seconds. Point us to the older kids.
Okay, older kids. So they kind of can do more of themselves. So this is pita with hummus, which is great. You could double dip in the hummus with the bell peppers. And then I always try and add a fruit snack or something to make it feel fun.
Yeah.
And again, just be aware of the ingredients on the back of the fruit snack. A lot of them start with high fructose corn syrup, but just make sure it's the real fruit. And these are examples of some of those for you.
Great. Thank you for the pep talk, the punch us up in the morning for our lunchbox routine. Where can we get more ideas from you?
So I am mainly on Instagram at i.choose.healthy.com.
All right.
And you can get more tips there.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.